Hi there, welcome. Looking for anything special today?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a casual jacket.
Sure, do you prefer denim, leather, or lightweight fabric?
Something lightweight but warm.
In that case, this fabric jacket is a great choice. Very comfortable.
Can I feel the material?
Of course, it's cotton with a soft inner lining.
Nice. Do you have this in size small?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
How does it look? Does it seem too big?
It looks good, but you could try one size smaller for a sharper fit.
Okay, can I try the extra small?
Absolutely, here it is.
This one feels perfect.
Yes, it fits your shoulders better.
What colors do you have?
Black, beige, and olive green.
I'll take the beige one. How much is it?
$49.99. We also have a 10% student discount today.
Great, I'll buy it.
Good choice. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
All right, you're all set. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I need a SIM card and maybe a new phone.
Sure, we have 3 SIM plans. Prepaid, pay as you go. Monthly plan, unlimited calls, plus data. Student plan, discounted.
Which one is best for students?
The student plan, 20 GB data, unlimited calls, $15 per month.
Sounds good. Do I need ID?
Yes, your passport.
I have it with me. I'm also looking for a mid-range phone.
What's your budget?
Around $250, $300.
Then I recommend this model. Great camera, long battery life.
Is it heavy?
Not at all, try holding it.
Feels light. How's the selfie camera?
16 megapixels, very clear.
Does it come with a charger?
Yes, charger and cable included.
Warranty?
1 year.
Can I pay in installments?
Yes, 3-month or 6-month plan.
I'll take the 3-month option.
Do you want me to activate your SIM card now?
Yes, please.
It will take 2 minutes. All set. Your SIM is active and your phone is ready.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too!
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, what do you recommend?
Our chicken wrap is very popular.
Okay, I'll try that.
Regular or spicy?
Regular, please.
Would you like to make it a combo?
What's included?
Fries and a drink.
Yes, I'll have the combo.
What drink would you like?
Coke.
Great. Any sauce for your fries?
Ketchup and garlic sauce.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $9.80?
Here you go.
Thanks. Your order will be ready soon. Here you are, chicken wrap combo.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
I will, thanks.